Just want to say your car's awesome. So guys, I just want to do a quick shout out to James Cyril. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, to be honest. We're going to plan on doing a ride out with as many of you guys, if you want to come, as possible. We don't know any details yet, we haven't really come up with anything, but we will let you know details as and when we get them. I'll link his Instagram down in the description. Drop him a follow because he's sound. So yeah, I'll link his Instagram down in the description. And you've got a flat tyre. Fucking hell. You nutter. Crazy dude. It's a red light, you dickhead. Red light, you fucking knobhead. Naughty, naughty, naughty. People use their mirrors these days? Do mirrors actually exist on cars anymore? That was the maddest red light I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I was so hoping that was a policeman. Oh my god. Imagine the scenes. That was confusing. This guy realised that it's one lane. The fuck? That is a one-lane road. Absolute freak of nature. Whoa, pigeons. It's Marc. I'm gonna go chase him. I'm gonna go chase Marc. Where's he gone then? I bet he went either he's either gone left or straight. Bank on straight. It's close to his house. Come on guys, get out of the way, I need to find my friend. Move it! Blade! Come on! Oh fuck. That wasn't comfortable. Come on, go. What is this lunatic doing? I haven't got time for this. I could just pull over and ring him, but that would be less fun. Where the fuck would have parked? HGVs. Now I don't think he'll be in HGVs, if I'm being brutally honest. This is now very traveller-ish. This is looking quite Jippo-like. Any Jippos watching this? Hello? I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? I knew it. I knew I was. I'm going the wrong way around this car park. I don't care, I need to find Mark. No, you're not a HGV. You're a Punto. Why is everyone wanting to go Tesco? What's with this traffic?
I just wanted to do a public service announcement.
Okay.
Fucking mate, does it look like my name is Andrew fucking Swash? Alright? Andrew Swash, if you're out there, alright, just fucking come get your mail. Alright? You're missing out on quality fucking stamps there and a Christmas card.
Second class.
Yeah. Quality. Have you got like a fucking saying in your fucking YouTube videos yet?
Not really. No. In fact, let's leave that to the people to decide. Yeah. What should my catchphrase be, guys?
You fucking let me know.
I will.
I'll announce it on the next one.
Okay. Awesome, you hear that? We need to come up with a catchphrase. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra!
No, it's not ta-ra. Fucking ta-ra. This is what you do on like CBBS or something. Yep. Was there flames? What do you mean, Jack? They were like that big.
Were they?
Yeah. That was pretty mad.
That's it, go the fuck out. We're out of it. Quickly, shut the fuck up, Bill. We're out of here.
Let's go.
We're out of here.
Fucking hell. Your back indicator doesn't work at all, does it? That's posh. That's real snazzy. You sausage. God, no one knows how to get in the right lane, do they? He's got reindeer antlers. Wait, did you see that? And did you see that? What the? Did you see anything? What are you doing? Oh, you silly old woman. You silly, silly, silly old woman. Wow, she's got no power. Fucking hell, she does not like being ridden before warming up. There we go. That was ridiculously jolty. I was like, oh my dairy donkers. They really loved that. They were like, God, son, give it some. Oh, you know, how could I refuse? Next time, get in the right lane.